Hello everyone, welcome back to the Marketing Automation Software channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically comment by keywords in bulk on TikTok using our tool MKT TikTok Automation Software. With this tool, you can manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts, hundreds or even thousands, to support seeding activities for your main channel. First, we'll add TikTok accounts and proxies into the software. After adding them, select the seeding function feature, then we'll set up the configuration. In the settings section, first, we configure the time interval between actions. Enter the keywords you want to seed, for example, marketing or sailor. Then add the comment content, the actual comments you want to post. Prepare these comments in advance and add them here. Next, click Save, and you can also enable the option to allow duplicate comments between accounts, meaning multiple accounts can post the same comments. In this configuration section, choose seeding by keyword. You can also set the maximum number of videos each account will watch. In this example, I'll just set it to 1, then define how many videos to comment on, whether to share the videos, and how long each video should be watched before commenting. For instance, set it to 30 to 60 seconds, meaning the account will watch each video for 30 to 60 seconds before commenting. Next, select the account category, choose the accounts, and click Start. The software will automatically log into your TikTok accounts. Search for the keywords you entered, such as marketing, then automatically watch and comment on those videos. You can see here that the software is automatically posting comments based on your setup. If you'd like to purchase this tool, feel free to contact me using the information below. Thank you, and see you in the next video.